bust open this kit and let's show everyone what's really underneath the hood of this thing. We have our MOLLE. Everybody loves the MOLLE system and be able to attach it to our flak jacket or bag or what have you.
Things like a zipper and its resiliency, because usually when it comes to any kit, that's a cheap part, the first part to break.
First thing, or the most often used thing in the kit, are the scissors.
And they are solid, they've got the serrated edges, and this is the best you're going to find.
The Band-Aids, the little things that you'll need right away is in this little bag, so you don't have to go digging into the guts of this thing in order to take care of a very, very minor injury or anything like that.
A uncontrolled extremity hemorrhage was a major cause of death in Iraq, and the military, seeing this, kind of came back around to the idea of tourniquets, and through actual and painful practice found out that these are not only incredibly effective, but they are safe. A multi-purpose dressing that substitutes for abdominal pads, it substitutes for 4x4s, it substitutes for an ace wrap.
Right.
So it's incredibly versatile, it's strong, and if I had to carry, honestly, one tool, if you said, you're going to be on an island,
right,
I would carry one of these really dressed. And this is essentially medical duct tape in terms of the level of security it provides. It's designed to stick to anything. With each of these, there's two.
Yep.
As everyone who knows in the industry, if you get shot one place, a bullet may have to exit the other place.
Right. And for you tactical guys, last thing here is that we have the OmniSafe 911 on there, but you take that off, and for you tactical guys, you can put in blood type or any other patch that you might need that would be relevant for your particular use. Thank you for joining me and my friend Tony here. We hope you enjoyed the information that we've provided you today, and this becomes useful to you at some point.
And Ernie, thank you very much for your time, and thank you guys for listening to this. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thanks.